In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight in the Bible app. We will walk through it slowly so you can follow along on your own screen without feeling rushed or lost. First, open the Bible app, also called YouVersion, on your device. Once it opens, you should see the main screen with several icons along the bottom, usually things like Home, Read, Plans, and more. Give the app a moment to fully load, especially if it is fetching your reading data from the internet, so that everything is ready before you move on. Now, tap the Bible tab. Depending on your version, this might be called Read, but it always looks like a little Bible icon at the bottom. When you tap it, the main reading screen opens, with the current book name at the top, the chapter number next to it, and verses laid out in the main area. You should be able to scroll up and down to see more verses in that chapter. Next, open the Bible chapter and verse you want to highlight. At the top, tap the book name to pick a different book, like Genesis or John. Then tap the chapter number to move to another chapter. Your screen now shows the exact chapter you chose, with each verse number in small text and the verse text to the right. Take a second to confirm the book and chapter at the top so you know you are in the right passage. From there, tap the verse you want to highlight. On most phones, you tap directly on the verse text, not just the small number. When you tap it correctly, you will see that verse get a subtle gray outline or a selection style change, telling you that the app has selected it. If nothing changes, tap once more a little closer to the middle of the sentence. If you want to highlight more than one verse, select multiple verses if needed. After the first verse is selected, tap the next verse you want and it will join the selection. You will see each chosen verse pick up the same outlined look, one after another. A helpful detail is that you can usually tap again on a verse to deselect it in case you tap the wrong one by accident. Once you have your verses selected, a menu will appear at the bottom. This menu slides up over the bottom area and usually includes options like highlight, note, copy, compare, and other tools. The icons are simple, with short text labels underneath, so you can quickly spot the highlight section among them. From this menu, choose a highlight color. Tap one of the colored circles shown, such as yellow, blue, green, or any other color your app offers. In many versions, you can also see recent colors you used, which helps keep your highlights consistent across different passages. As soon as you tap a color, the app applies it right away, so there is no extra save button to find. After that, the verse will now be marked with your chosen color. Scroll a little to make sure the colored highlight is clearly visible over the verse background. You can tap the highlighted verse again later to change the color, or remove the highlight if you change your mind. You have just learned how to highlight any verse or group of verses in the Bible app. So if this helped you mark your favorite passages, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you want more simple Bible app tips like this, feel free to subscribe as well.